Today I want to teach you how to make a snoot effect. This in the background like this snoot effect, so that it makes it look realistic. So thank you, and let's get to the class. So first thing and foremost, you have to. This is a snoot effect. If you want to get different tones of snoot effect, you come to your you come to Pinterest and you can download at Pinterest. But I have one already downloaded here, and I want us to use. This is our This is one. We have tons of snoot effect here. So now let's take the image that I want to make this snoot effect. So now under here, let's pick our image that we want to use. I like this image and I want us to use it. So we'll drag it in here. Let's drop. So now let's we'll have to first of all remove the background of this image. You remove the background. So the first thing, go to your select, then come to subject. Under subject here, click on subject, and you will see that it has selected that image. But there are some parts that is remaining here. You come here, your rectangular marquee tool here, then you select it. But then if it doesn't select, you can press shift to add. Look at how if you want to add up. But the best way to use is your polygon lasso tool here. You select it, then press shift and hold so that you can add. You can click and hold like this and then drag in. Anywhere you click and hold, you drag in like that. And let's zoom in to see. Let's adjust it. But if you want to remove this particular edge here, you press alternate from here, you drag in and then drag it out like that. So please, I have a video on how to remove background. If you are confused, you can still let me know. So endeavor to check anywhere you want to remove. So now here, press Ctrl J. From the Ctrl J, you see, then turn off this background. Turn it off. You see that the background has been removed. And then we want a solid background. Let's delete this one. And then let's put in a solid background of our own choice. Let's say we want something not much. Click on OK. And then we'll take it down and then leave this up. So now let's find our snoot effect that I want to use here. So under this snoot effect, you come look at it here. Look at the snoot effect. Click here. These are different tones of snoot effect that I want to use for this tutorial. So select any one of your choice, not necessarily the one that we need. So click, let us use this particular one. I love this snoot effect. So come to this rectangular marquee tool here, select it. Select like this inside. Then you click on copy. You come to where this aspect is, and then you click on paste. As you are pasting here, remember to come and right click on it. Change it to smart object. The essence of change it to smart object, so that once you scale it, it will not lose its quality. You scale it like this. Look at it using the transform, so that it doesn't lose its quality. It maintains at that range. So now let's rename it Snoot effect. Enter. Then under here, then come to your effects. Come under here. These are your blending options. Then let's use screen. You see look at how it's changing. You now drag it behind like that. Or you can now adjust it. Or let's select this image, we'll reduce it. And then we'll select our snoot effect and then adjust it behind like that. Look at how it is. So at this point in time, you can now blur out. Let's blur it a bit so that it not look more of artificial. Select the snoot effect. Come to your filter here. Select it. Come to blur. Look at Gaussian blur. If it does too much, so you reduce it. Look at how we reduce. This is okay for me. And then to scale out, you can now select this picture here And then you come to your filter, come to your smart filter here. Okay. And then you can add, you can see how we want it to blend together with, like we want it to blend with the background. That's what you're trying to do here. And then let's come here, select the image, rasterize this image, and then come to filter. You see camera raw filter. Under the camera raw filter here, come to exposure. We'll sharpen it. And then when you come to temperature here, you add it a bit. Then saturation. We want to take that saturation to blend with it. Then add the texture here, the clarity, and then these are the shadows. Let's move it to orange a bit, and then we'll click on OK. So now you see how it is looking. So this is just one way you can achieve that. There are different ways for you to make it. And then if you are confused on any way, please, let's drag this. You can see, click on OK. This is one way you can use or make use of your Snoot effect. So thank you, and if you are satisfied with this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that we'll continue dropping videos like this for you. Thank you, and I hope to see you at the top.